What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be making a video on my intake. As you already know, I made this custom intake for my car, which I really like. I like the way it sounds, I like the way it looks, I like everything. I am thinking of wrapping it with a header wrap, so that's one thing I want to do. But yeah, other than that, it looks pretty good. So today I'm gonna do a video on the sound this thing makes. I'm gonna do some drive-bys and all that good stuff, so you guys can have an idea of how it sounds. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I don't know if I should mount the GoPro here, like right here, or on top of the hood, like right here. All right, so we got the camera mounted in the car right there. All right, so now I'm gonna start the car. Alright, so I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit and then I'm gonna rev it a couple times. Alright, so this is with the windows all the way up. First gear. So now we got the windows rolled down, and we're gonna do a 0 to 60. It's a lot louder than it was before. We're gonna do the second gear pull. Here we go. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. To be honest, I really haven't had any problems with this setup yet. I've had it for like 2 weeks and never had a problem. I do need to fix this here. Need to get a longer cable to run it under this plastic here. But other than that, it's good. I like it. So anyways guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.